Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to merge the several cells to be one cells in one Google Sheets documents by iPhone. So here I already have the documents here, and the cells will be one combinations of one rows and one columns here. So you can add the information in every cells that you have on your Google Sheets documents. But then somehow you only need one information for whole cells that containing several branch informations here. So to do that, you need to merge all of the cells here so that all of the cells will become one. So to do that, you just need to block the cells that you want to merge. And after you done block the cells, go take a look at this button feature. There will be like several button, but then if you confuse which symbols to merge the cells, you can just go into this A symbols right here and go jump into the cells. Go click this merge cells, and all of the cells will be disappear and becoming one cells. You can also adjust the position of this by go back like this A symbols and go back into the text. Go click it to make them stay in the middle. So that's the way, guys, how to merge the cells on a Google Sheets document. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.